मॅम सद्याक रिसेंटली एक बॉल चल्ला आरजीपीन जो सोशल मिडियाचेर हायलायट जाला आणि तुमी सोशल मिडियाचेर एक्टिव्ह आसता आणि तुमी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीक एक कनेक्टेड आसले फाटीं आणि सद्याक तुमी इंडिपेंडंट आहा पूण तुमी पॉलिटिक्स ऑब्जर्व करता तुमकां कितें दिसता ह्या आरजीपीन जे इश्यू चल्ला आणि पब्लिकली आउट जावन हायलायट जाता ते
म्हाका दिसता की जे इश्यूज आहा ते पार्टीचे ते इंटरनल मॅटर्स आतां भायर सरला ओली आय कॅन सजेशन दिवपाक जाता की जेन्ना इश्यूज आसा एक मिटींग कॉल करपाक जाय आणि ते जे इश्यूज आसा ते डिस्कस करून थिंगा भितरल्यान झगडून कितें आहा ते काबार करून फायनलायज करपाक जाय आणि ब्रिंग थिंग्स आउट इन द ओपन सो वी कॅन सी की देर इज इंटरनल प्रॉब्लम आणि जे कोण मिटींग घेयना इंटरनल मिटींग घेयना तेका लागून आतां हे सोशल मिडियाचेर भायर सरता अँड इट इज actually because I also was associated to a political party. The main thing is everything has to be discussed and discussions have to be taken place internal and then it should come out अशें चल्ला की बरें दिसना कित्याक it's not good, it's not healthy for the upcoming elections की कितें जातलें who people will support, what will happen. People have different faith with different parties. But there's a lot of break and a lot of people discussing and there's no proper balance. So my request is that आता कितें जालें तें जालां कितें एलीट तुमी मातशें मिटींग घेयात आनी डिस्कस करात and whatever it is who you all want your leader to be, who you all don't want your leader to be, what are the issues of finances, everything they discuss करून sort out करून because I believe that any problem that is there can be discussed in closed doors and among the members itself, hardcore members, or you can call for a volunteer meeting, especially the main hardcore people जे कोण from the start of RGP ती आतां पासून हा तेंका आपोवन एक क्लोज डोर मिटींग करून फायनलायज करपाक जाय and what is happening is not right. Like those who are in other parties will also be discussing because every party has problems. Every party, not everyone is good. Even the present ruling party also has problems and people talk about it. But I think so it should be if you're sensible enough to discuss it internally and get it sorted out.
मॅम फाटी एका माचेर ओपोजिशन पार्टीचे सगळे लिडर हात वयर काडलो लोकांक दिसलें आनी हे आमचे सोशल एक्टिविस्ट आसा तांकां दिसलें ओपोजिशन पार्टीन वांगडा येवचें आतां गोंयची एक यंगेस्ट रिजनल पार्टी आरजीपी असले मॅटर सोशल मिडियाचेर पब्लिकली आवट जाता तुमकां दिसता गोंयान ओपोजिशन केन्ना वांगडा येवं शकता म्हणून
See, for me, I believe that to defeat the ruling party, everyone has to come together because the stronghold of the ruling party has become too much. And we can see that ever since the BJP is ruling into Goa, nothing good is happening. In the terms, there is lot of people with different, Hindu, Muslim, Catholic, everyone is fighting. We can see land issues happening. We can see land conversions happening. We can see destruction happening on the rise. I think so. The law and order is at its worst, and you can see everyone is protesting. Everyone is trying to protect the lands because we need development, but we need sustainable development. And to see what is happening right now, all I can say that people should be united. Now, as elections are coming closer, it's another few more months. It's not even a year now. It's less than few months that the elections are going to happen. And I'm happy things are happening right now, so the air will be cleared, so that whatever decision any party takes, if there is conflict, they should sort it out and then come fresh with new leaders or new decisions or whatever it is, sort it out and come out and then place their cards probably or place their whoever they are going to be making their leaders of their party, so that everyone knows and then things can progress. So it's good, everything is healthy, but it should be, for me, healthy is in closed doors discussion, and I feel that coming together and fighting against the ruling party is the key if we want to protect Goa, nothing else.
मॅम थोड्याच दिसा फाटीं 5 स्टेटीचे इलेक्शन रिजल्ट आवट जाला आणि सद्याक तेंचो रिजल्ट पळयत जाल्यार गोंयान 2027 इलेक्शन इजीशें दिसता आणि तुमी बा कॉन्टेस्ट करतले 2027 इलेक्शन
That time it is not yet out in the open, but all that we can say, seeing the other results, we are happy with some, we are not happy with some. We can see with the SIR forms that were there, lot of voters deletion has happened, whether it's done on purpose. Especially we can see in West Bengal 90 lakhs is no joke. It's more than our population in Goa. 90 lakhs voters being deleted and they couldn't vote. They're after being voting for all these years is not right. So it's done on purpose, and no party can just overrule like that. You have to do something wrong, and that's what BJP has done with implementing this SIR just before the election. And a lot of voters who wanted to vote couldn't vote. So that was a sad result in West Bengal. But seeing Tamil Nadu results, I still have hope that sometimes change happens. And to see the cabinet that now Tamil Nadu has, they're all educated people. Now we need to see people in Goa, आमकां गोंयकारांक कितें जाय, एड्युकेशन जाय, और जे लोक जे स्कॅमा आहा, क्रिमिनल केसीस आहा, तसले मनीस जाय आमकां. I think so we need people who have been working very hard for Goa. Intention is to good for Goa and not personal intentions to get richer. So ते लोकांनी चिंतपाक जाय, जे कोण कॅन्डिडेट आसतलो. I wish everyone all the very best for their preparations for 2027. But whatever you do, do for the intention for Goa, do for the intention to protect Goa and to save Goa.
मॅम तुमी इंटरेस्टेड आहात 2027 इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट करपाक?
Can't say right now. It all depends on how it goes about. That is still like a question mark. So still yet to see. So let's hope for the best. And I think so the right candidate is important, and who we support is important. So it all depends on that. So we are just waiting. We are all in talks. As I said, everyone has to come together. So who's going to come together and who's going to be that person taking the lead is what we're looking out for. So whether it's me, somebody else, whatever it is, a good leader. If there is a good leader, I will step down. If there is not, then I will come forward.